There's a
Enemy
lot of
Bradley.
dudes in the
Where
warehouse,
is
by
their
the way.
spawn, Vic?
Yeah, they're also in
warehouse
those
by Tower
hotels. They're
1.
like
Oh,
flanking. Got
there's an
angles on it.
James Yep, Bradley and an MRAP.
He's not there. Now he's dead.
Party.
It should be disabled, but there was a dude repairing it.
That Bradley's
Alright,
disabled.
I'm going in for a gun run.
There were like at least 3 or 4 dudes in that fucking building too.
Alright, I got like an A10 shooting right now, so see what I can do.
Go away, be careful behind him.
T-80 following the eastern coast.
Blackster, that you're 60.
When it says I was killed from over 300 meters, does that mean like 307 meters?
No.
Also, there's one more.
Whoa!
Healthy relationship with Albatross. I love that it has tracers and bombs, but I don't like how the gun shoots.
Good shit.